In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Smartsheet for operations, including supply chain, logistics, and customer service, so you can organize and track your processes more efficiently. First, log in to your Smartsheet account and click the Create button. From the available options, select Templates to access Smartsheet's template library. Next, use the search bar to look for templates related to supply chain, logistics, or customer service. You'll find pre-built solutions designed to help manage shipments, vendors, inventory, service requests, and operational workflows. Once you find a template that matches your needs, click on it to preview the layout and features. Review the columns, statuses, and tracking fields to make sure they fit your workflow. If the template looks suitable, click Create from Template. Smartsheet will generate a ready-to-use sheet with the structure already in place. You can then customize the template by adding your own data, adjusting columns, updating statuses, and creating automations or notifications as needed. As your operations grow, continue refining the sheet to track suppliers, shipments, customer requests, and team responsibilities more effectively. That's it, you've successfully set up Smartsheet for supply chain, logistics, and customer service operations. Thanks for watching.